it's me, Wami, and today we're going to make some scrunchies for our shop. We don't sell them, these are our freebies whenever you buy from us, so please do check us out on Instagram at wearthatgirlcrush. Before we start the video, I just want to say that we have a giveaway at our Facebook page. The link is on the description box, so please check it out. If you have any questions, comment down below, but I suggest going down to my IG at WamiWami. I have a Q&A about sewing on my highlight. It'll be better there to ask me since you might encounter the same problem as other people. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's proceed to the video. The materials that we will be needing is a garter, some fabric glue or a thread to close the opening, and a used shirt or a fabric that you like. For this video, I'm using my old shirt. I wore these ones before, but now I hate this shirt. I don't really know why I bought it in the first place. That's why I'm reusing it to make some scrunchies. First, I cut the shirt into a big square. After I'm done cutting it, it's time to make the scrunchie size. I usually cut them into 4 by 18 inches if I don't have much fabric, but now I like it longer than it is. So for this video, it will be 4 by 19-21 inches, but it's up to you guys how long it is. After cutting them, it's time to straight stitch the fabric. I'm not stitching right in the beginning because that's where I'm gonna lock the two ends together. You'll see what I'm talking about later. When I'm done stitching, this is where it will come in place. So I'm gonna show you how I sew them together. So what I do is I sew them like this. Then I'm gonna stick them on the other ends like this. So ito yung end, ito yung end. So what I do is put them together like this, and on the other end you're going to rotate, and you'll see the other end. You're going to stick them together again, and it will look like this. Then you're going to sew them on a straight stitch. So this is how it will look. So it's up to you if you're going to cut the excess fabric. But for me, I'm going to cut it to make it cleaner. So if you look at the stitch, it looks cleaner, mas professional yung scrunchies. So if you're going to close it, you're going to have to put some fabric glue on this opening, and or fabric glue or fabric glue or glue gun, or you could just stitch here, straight stitch here to close the opening. So I'll be back and I'm just gonna do the other fabrics as well. After stitching them, this is where I'm gonna use the garter. I'm using a thin garter. After that, closing off the opening, I advise you guys to put some glue on it to make it look clean. But if you have no glue, then use a thread and do an invisible stitch. So that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos from me, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload once a week, I guess. And if you want to watch my other episodes, I have a playlist on this channel, so better check them out. So bye, see you in my next video.